In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a temporarily locked PayPal account step by step in a simple way that anyone can follow, even if you're a complete beginner. First, try logging into your PayPal account. If you can access it, go straight to the Resolution Center or check the message on your account dashboard. PayPal usually tells you exactly why the account is locked and what they need from you. This could be something like confirming your identity or uploading a document. If your account was locked because of too many failed login attempts, don't panic. Simply wait for a short while and then use the Forgot Password option to reset your password. In many cases, this alone can unlock your account. If you're still locked out, the next step is to contact PayPal support. Go to the PayPal website and open the Contact Us page. You can either message them online or call their support team. When you contact them, explain your issue calmly and clearly. Make sure you have your email address, phone number, and basic account details ready because they will need to verify that you own the account. After that, PayPal will review your case. This may take some time, but they will email you once a decision is made. Some restrictions are removed automatically after you complete their steps. And that's how you fix a temporarily locked PayPal account. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.